Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to send USDT from gateio to Kucoin. First of all, you need to log into your gateio account. Then you need to go to the assets on the top right and go to the spot account page. Right here, you need to find USDT. If you can't find it, you can use the search bar, type USDT inside the search, then click withdraw. Now we need to select the network. I suggest you to use BIP20 network, which has got the lowest fees. And now let's go to the Kucoin to find out our USDT BIP20 wallet address. Let's go to the assets on the top right, go to the funding account. We need to find USDT. Let's use search and click deposit. Now let's select the network, which is BIP20 in this case. Let's copy the wallet address. Let's go back to gateio and paste the wallet address right here. Then we need to enter the amount of USDT we're going to send, for example, 10. The minimum is 1.5. And as you can see, there is the fixed fee, 0.5 USDT. And it doesn't matter you will send 10 or 1000, the fee will be the same. And then you need to click withdrawal and finalize the transaction. In maximum 2 or 3 minutes, you can check your balance on Kucoin. To check your balance, go to the assets again, go to the funding account, and right here you will see your USDT balance. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.